Ngizoqala ngawe Mandosi, uzizwa unjani nje emphefumulweni sisi?
Right.
Right emphefumulweni.
Usho ukuthi-ke ngikhuluma ngesikhathi esi-wrong ngoba uNdlunkulu uMakhumalo right now ufuna upelepele. So-ke kufuneka sihloniphe lokho. Mina angithathi ngokuthi siwumndeni sonke sesadlula leso sikhathi. Ziningi izinto ezazenzeka behind the scene ekhombisayo ukuthi noma ungazama ucabanga ukuthi siwumndeni sonke ayenzeki kuleyo nto. Angisafuna ukuthi mangabe ngibala umndeni wami ngiqale kuMayeni ngiyogcina okusekugcineni cha. Mangibala umndeni wami ngibala mina nezingane zami sengaba kuyena obaba bakhe ukuthi uyayifaka yini noma akayifaki.
Guys, this woman as uNdlunkulu, ne? She was supposed to act like wife number one. Position one, angisho ufuna yena ukuhliza ku-position one. She must act like wife number one. But it's like uphikisana nalabafazi labo. And the more aphikisana nabo, the more azibona engathi bona babo Ndlunkulu instead of yena. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So bambuzile uMacele ukuthi ufila kanjani, and uMakhumalo wabe secila ipelepele. uMacele maceda ukuthi yena right. uMakhumalo wamemeza wathi, hey ngicela ipelepele. And people were like, there's nothing wrong because bekafuna ipelepele. Yena beka wrong uMakhumalo guys wokubemeza vele. Babuza omunye umntwana ukuthi right yena amemeza athi, hey ngicela ipelepele. No, beka wrong guys, being honest. But then uMacele went to the session yakhe wabe sekakhuluma ethi yena hayi phela uNdlunkulu uMakhumalo wanted ipelepele ngesikhathi sami. Why umlabel as uNdlunkulu? Same as uMayeni. Yo guys, she will label uMayeni ukuthi uMayeni ufuna position one, ufuna position yakhe. Guys, indoda yesithembu ne inshade nonke. Kuye nazifanele ni equal. Because if ever bukhona number one and all, bekangeke anishade nonke, bekayoshada number one kuphela. So I understand why uMacele nje ahlezi ekwatile ngenxa ye-position one, and she feels like she must be respected in that manner ukuthi phela yena wafika kucala la kumusa. Kodwa egcineni nonke nabafazi bakamusa. She labeled uMayeni ukuthi yena nefamily yakhe, they were sitting there bethi uMayeni number 3. Phela yena uze kucala kwezuMasawule and then kwezuMayeni after. And now inkinga sekuMakhumalo. That's why that time I think isazidlala episode lena ngenkathi uMacele ethi yena bebahlangana no Makhumalo pregnant ngengane engasiyona kaMusa. So I feel like she's intimidated by the other wives, and she definitely can't handle the pressure ehalapha abanye abafazi bamshushumisa igazi. Uzowathi yena she's not makabali family yakhe akababali labafazi labo. That's why mebembuza laphana ukuthi ilona yakho i-ideal ye-family yini kuwe. She was like umama, ubaba, u-auntie, abantwana, ugogo nomkhulu kuphela. Ngathi bekafuna ukulala lapha abanye abafazi. Guys, what's going on uMacele? Azi bengizosho if beka pregnant or mhlawumbe menopause. Hayi cha shem. Guys, then what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.